Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. It's a low I bought from a German seller. Let's go. That it's a playoff card. I don't know the year exactly. 1993. Oh, the look amazing. Jeff Hostetler was a very good quarterback. Great. Patrick Bates. Wilber Marshall, is it the former Redskins player? Must to be this or Giants, but Redskins, I think so. Patrick Robinson, Eric Martin, great. Calvin Williams. Oh, the photo of this set are really crazy, beautiful. Ron Moore. This is Gino Torretta, Eric Metcalf. Oh, it was a very amazing player. Seth Joyner, Wade Wilson with the Saints uniform. Rooney Hampton, great. Darian Gordon. This is Reggie Brooks, great. Nat Clements, it's not the same series now. Keyshawn Johnson with the Buck uniform. Kurt Warner, oh, that is a hit. Ron Dane. Joe Horn, oh, I remember him. He was a very good wide receiver. Lamar Smith. Mushin Muhammad. And Jamal Anderson. Great. Next, which is it? Orlando Pace, oh, a big lineman. David Lafleur, nice. Is it now the... No, okay, I confused with another player with the Green Bay head coach. Jim Drunken Miller. I say that, but I just drink some water this morning. Dwayne, oh, sorry for the name. Dwayne Rudd. Okay. John Knight. It's not easy to read the name on this card. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I remember him. Stan Humphries. Oh, great quarterback. Tony Martin. And the other card is Herman Moore. Oh, very nice. Joey Galloway. Great. Mario Bates. Oh, I love it to watch this player. Michael Jackson. He also played football. And Tim Brown. Oh, the looking of this card is really amazing. Great. Next, that is Herman Moore, great. Johnny Morton, nice. Must to be Bernie Kosar. Oh no, Vinny Testaverde, great. Ron Woodson, oh, very some legendary player. Another legendary player, Reggie White. Those cards are some action pack card, okay, and for the year, okay, it's right on the bottom, 1995. Neil O'Donnell, grade 2. Steve Borderline, oh, I remember this quarterback. Barry Foster, great. Ben Coates, oh, grade 2, tight end. That's a rookie for, okay. It's Rashid Salam. I love this card. Rest in peace. This is Rob Johnson. Nice. Ronnie Anton. Oh, beauty. Jim Everest. Nice quarterback. This is Ron Stewart. Oh, he was very good. I think in one game he scored 4 or 5 touchdowns or something like this for rushing. Jim Kelly, Hall of Fame. Carl Pickens. Oh, he was very an electric wide receiver, very entertaining wide receiver. Andre Reed, very good. Andre Ella with Redskin uniform, great. Just post this. Which player this is? Raymond Harris. Okay. This is Lewis Tillman. Lake Dawson. Nice. Bert Emmanuel, I remember this wide receiver was quite good. Gary Brown. Cortez Kennedy, one of the best defensive line in NFL history. Jim Taylor, I remember him with Jerry Rice and Jim Taylor. This is Jackie Harris for the Bucks. And the last is Flipper Anderson. That is crazy nice card. Very happy with this looking, and that is great, nice. I will show you also a book. It's a vintage book. It's a Beckett. Beckett, 13th edition, 1994. Of course, now with the internet era, it looks like a prehistoric item, but anyway, it's quite interesting to read. And for example, recently I purchased some Topps football 1963, and I will just to find the list. Okay, and we get some off on the cover. That is very nice, and happy with not a big value, but very happy to grab this. I will read this with pleasure. Okay, next, what is it? Okay, that is some classic card for Fleer 1991, Marc Carrière, David Fulcher, Tim Harris, Kevin Mack, Christian Okoye, the Nigerian Nightmare, Harold Green, Hal Toon, Ricky Prohl, Bill Romanowski. Must to be some great card to some TTM request. Jeff Osterler with the Giants uniform, Troy Aikman, Thurman Thomas, Steve Young, great. Andre Rison, Scott Norwood, Ken Keats cards, Curtis Duncan, Ray Donaldson, David Scott, Tom Benson, Ethan Horton, Hughes Green, Vincent Brandt, David Little, Anthony Miller, he was a very good wide receiver, Travis McNeil, Shane Collins, Mike Ken, Dennis Gentry, Kevin Martin. It's very great looking of the picture of this card. It's really funny. Jerry Ball, Robert Brown, Henry Ella, Alfred Anderson, Hassan Jones, Eric Martin, Wade Addix, Harry Hamilton, Broderick Thomas, and 2 cards of Ines Biner. He was a very good running back for the Redskins. That's nice, great. Next, what is it? There is some mini. I don't know the year. 2001 Pacific. Tiki Barber, great. Rocket, maybe Rocket Ismail. I don't know if Rocket is its nickname, but Raib Ismail, something like this. Terrell Davis, great. And must to be Chris Chamber, great. Next, what is it? It's Frank. I don't know. Sorry, is the name of the. Okay, Michael Jackson, nice. Jeff Blake. What is this card? It's the 97 Flea. Oh, I love the looking. John Elway, the great. Eddie George, oh, famous too. Chris Sanders, okay, some Goodney, okay, reprint of Goodney, okay, design. Marvin Harrison, Mark Brunel, I love this guy. Neil Smith, Dave Megetz, Jeff Ostetler, Napoleon Kaufman, Greg Lloyd, oh, he was very good as defensive. Rod Woodson, Junior Seau, rest in peace. Chris Warren, Simeon Rice, Eric Swan, Kevin Green, oh, he was very good. Herman Moore, Robert Smith, Jim Everett, Lawrence Phillip, Alvin Harper, Gus Frerotte, Jerry Rice the Great, oh, some throwback player, Tittle, and Chuck Bednarik. Great. What are my last things? Okay, quickly I will show you what he sent me. He sent me also, I buy also a pages of card of Anthony Munoz the Great. Very happy with this. He sent me few part of the boxing card, but it's great. Okay, I'll show you quickly because I haven't got many room on my cam, and I'll try to show you my last card. Must to be the hit of my purchase. Oh, this is crazy nice. This okay, and that it's a Fleer Ultra 95. Okay, okay, nice. And the hit of my must to be there. Must to be those. Oh, Joe Montana. Oh, nice. That it's a Walter Payton card. Very great. There is another 1000 rushing card of regret. I see if Joe Montana there is another. No, nice. That it's a auto of Kai Brady. He's not the brother or family with Tom Brady, but he was a quite good tight end with the Jets, and that it's auto, great. On that, in the same series, James Jets, I remember this guy, and he was a very good wide receiver, very happy to grab this auto. I think, okay, congratulations, okay, it's really okay, certified auto by the round. Next, and when my biggest purchase of this, I think I paid $10 for this both card. We have two auto, one of Jarrett Wheeler, and the other is Terrell Davis. That is crazy because this guy is very a crazy player. It don't look to be some trading card sport, but it's maybe look like fun card or something like this. It's first time I saw that, but very happy with this, and very happy. He sent me also some bonus card. I would just look quickly what he sent me, but this is my biggest hit for the purchase. Andre Hopkins, oh, great with the color. Cam Newton, great. What is it, the year? Oh, okay, it's the current, okay, it's 2020 Panini Illusion, that's great. Stephen Gilmore, oh, that's not this throwback card of Pat Thrilling. Don't like so much this card, but okay. Chris Carson, great. Nick Bosa, Gigi Watt, and Marvin Jones. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Bye bye.